top, before you put another naira into your bank account, you need to know exactly how much of it is actually safe. Most Nigerians believe that if their bank crashes today, the government will just give them all their money back. Well, to surprise you, this is a lie. This has changed for some times now. The rules have changed. Whether you have 5,000 in your bank account or you have 50 million, there is a limit to what is insured. If your bank closes its doors tomorrow, you might only get a fraction of your life savings. So today on Chat Stock Money, I am breaking down the Nigerian Deposit Insurance Corporation NDIC secrets every Nigerian needs to know. I will show you the exact insurance limit for your bank and one strategy the wealthy use to make sure 100% of their cash is protected. Don't let a bank failure wipe out your life. Let's get into the facts, the why and the limits. What is the NDIC? Think of it as a car insurance company for cash. Banks don't just keep your money in a vault, they lend it out, they invest it. Sometimes bank fail. When that happens, Nigerian Deposit Insurance Corporation step in to pay you the lost money. But here is the catch. They don't pay everyone everything. As at right now, here are the magic numbers they pay you when you lose your money, no matter how much you have in the bank. For commercial bank like Zenith, GT Bank, UBA and the rest, your money is only 100% guaranteed up to 5 million naira. Microfinance banks in Nigeria, the limit is much more lower. Only 2 million naira is paid no matter the amount you have in that bank. Then the payment service bank like OPay and PalmPay, also the limit is like 2 million naira. If you have 10 million naira in a single savings account and the bank fails, for instance, the NDIC is only legally required to give you 5 million naira quickly. For the rest, you might have to wait for years for the bank to sell off its building and cars just to pay you back. A lot of you ask me, Charles, does the NDIC take my money from the bank and insure part of it? No, it does not work that way. The answer is capital no. The bank still uses your money to make profit, no matter the amount you deposit their bank. The NDIC just collects a premium, that is a small fee from the bank every single year to keep the insurance alive. Another big myth people always say is that bank can't touch my first 5 million naira. That is false. The bank can use every single naira you deposit with them. The 5 million naira is just the government promise to pay you back if the bank goes out of business. It's a safety net, not a locked box. I hope you understand that now. So now let's look at the worst strategy concerning this as ordinary Nigerians if a bank truly fails, which is hard for now though because of the plans of the CBN. How do you protect more than 5 million naira in your bank account if that happens? It is simple. Just use the diversification rule. The NDIC limit applies for depositor per bank. If you have 20 million naira, do not keep it all in one bank. If that bank fails, 50 million naira is at risk. Instead, split them, put 5 million in bank A, 5 million in bank B, 5 million in bank C, and 5 million in bank D. Because you are in 4 different institutions, your 100% money, this 20 million naira, is insured by the NDIC. It is a bit more paperwork more than that, but it is the only way to sleep soundly at night if you are afraid of your bank failing. So financial peace of mind isn't about how much you earn, it is about how much you can protect. Check your balance today. Are you over the limit? If you are, it might be time to move some cash around. If this video helped you, you can just hit that like button before I finish. Also subscribe. It is free of charge. It is free of charge. Also, there are other ways also you can use to protect your money against inflation. We have the government bonds. That is the FGN savings bond, which is always done every month. You have the treasury bill you can also invest in. Also, and also invest in money market fund and the rest. So that's one way also save your money. But the best way for you to invest your money and to be safe with the government is for you to invest your money in federal government savings bond and treasury bills. If you found this video helpful and you've learned one or two things concerning that, you can also subscribe like I've said, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to watch it. So have a good day and I will see you on the next one. Bye.